ISO 29001:2020 Online Training and Certification Services. Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome to this session. I am Arun Kumar Srivastava and I represent URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss ISO 29001:2020, a quality management system standard specifically developed for organizations working in the oil, gas, and petroleum industry supply chain. In this 25 to 30 minute session, I will cover what ISO 29001:2020 is and why it is important, who should adopt this standard, structure and key requirements of ISO 29001:2020. Our online training programs, we provide foundation, implementation, internal auditor and lead auditor trainings for this standard. Our implementation and certification support services. So we implement this standard through help of our consultants, experienced consultants having experience of more than 35 plus years in oil and gas sector, and we provide certification services also, certification support services through leading certification bodies. This video is suitable for professionals, managers, auditors, engineers and organizations looking to improve quality, reliability and risk management in the oil and gas sector. What is ISO 29001? ISO 29001 is a sector-specific quality management system standard designed for the petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries. It is based on ISO 9001 but includes additional industry-specific requirements. The standard addresses risk-based thinking for oil and gas operations, supply chain quality and reliability, control of outsourced processes, prevention of non-conformities that can lead to safety, environmental or operational failures. ISO 29001 was originally developed in alignment with API Spec Q1 and Q2, making it highly relevant for organizations supplying products or services to major oil and gas operators. Why ISO 29001 is important? Organizations in the oil and gas industry operate in high-risk environments. Failures in quality can result in safety incidents, environmental damage, production losses, legal and contractual penalties. ISO 29001:2020 helps organizations enhance product and service reliability, improve supplier and subcontractor control, reduce operational risks, meet customer and regulatory expectations, gain a competitive advantage in international markets. Many oil and gas clients prefer or mandate ISO 29001 certification for their vendors and service providers. Who should implement ISO 29001:2020 standard? It is applicable to oil and gas equipment manufacturers, engineering, procurement and construction companies, inspection, testing and maintenance service providers, fabrication and welding companies, valve, piping and pressure equipment suppliers, logistics and supply chain organizations supporting oil and gas operations. Whether you are a small supplier or a large multinational organization, ISO 29001 can be scaled to your operations. Structure of ISO 29001. ISO 29001 follows the high-level structure HLS similar to ISO 9001, ISO 40001 and ISO 45001. Key clauses include Clause 4, Context of the organization, understanding internal and external issues, interested parties and scope of the quality management system. Clause 5 Leadership. Top management commitment, quality policy, roles and responsibilities. Clause 6 Planning. Risk and opportunity management with special focus on operational and supply chain risks. Support. Clause 7. Resources, competence, awareness, communication and documented information. Operation. Clause 8. Industry specific operational controls, supplier management, traceability and change management. Clause 9. Performance evaluation. Monitoring, measurement, internal audits and management review. Clause 10. Improvement. Non-conformity management, corrective actions and control improvement. ISO 29001 2020 training programs offered by URGS International. What are these? First, foundation training. This is for beginners. This level is designed for beginners and professionals new to ISO 29001 standard. It covers basic concepts of ISO 29001, structure and terminology, benefits and applicability. Then second, implementation training. This program focuses on developing and implementing an ISO 9001 compliant system, process mapping and risk assessment, documentation and operational controls. Internal auditor training. This training enables participants to plan and conduct internal audits, identify non-conformities, prepare audit reports and corrective actions. Lead auditor training. Designed for professionals who want to conduct external or third-party audits. It covers audit principles and techniques, audit planning and execution, reporting and follow-up. All our training programs are delivered online with real-world examples and practical guidance. ISO 29001 2020 Implementation and Certification Services. So here what we do, in addition to training, URGS International provides complete implementation and certification support. Our services include gap analysis, documentation development, risk assessment and process optimization, internal audit and management review support, certification coordination with accredited certification bodies. We ensure a smooth and practical approach tailored to your organization. So why choose URGS International? Experienced trainers and auditors, industry focused approach, practical and implementable solutions, end-to-end support from training to certification. Now at last, closing and contact details. So thank you for watching this video. For ISO 29001 2020 training, implementation or certification services, please contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Email info@urgsiso.com. Mobile +91 7359458455. We look forward to supporting your journey toward quality excellence in the oil and gas industry. Thank you.